Greetings, tech titans and bargain hunters, and welcome to Stocks Telegraph. Today, we're setting our sights on a chipmaker giant, Intel, INTC. While Intel has faced some headwinds in the race for artificial intelligence dominance, whispers on the tech street suggest they might be gearing up for a comeback. Could Intel stock be a hidden gem waiting to be unearthed, or is it a relic of the past? We'll delve into the latest developments, analyze Intel's financial health, and help you decide if INTC deserves a place in your portfolio. There's no denying it, the battle for AI supremacy is heating up, and companies like Nvidia and AMD have emerged as frontrunners. This has led some investors to question Intel's future, particularly in the lucrative AI market. But before you hit the sell button, let's explore some recent developments that might change your mind. Despite the naysayers, Intel is showing signs of renewed vigor. Recent investments in AI research and development paint a picture of a company determined to reclaim its crown in the AI arena. We'll explore these exciting developments in detail and analyze what they mean for Intel's future. But here at Stocks Telegraph, we're all about facts, not just flashy headlines. We'll be taking a deep dive into Intel's financial performance, growth strategies, and market position. Is Intel truly a bargain waiting to be snatched, or is it a risky bet with an uncertain future? The future of Intel, and the chip-making industry as a whole, is brimming with potential. Join us as we separate the speculative hype from the cold, hard facts. Leave a comment below. What are your thoughts on Intel's recent developments in AI? Do you believe INTC is a good long-term investment? We'll be back after the break to dissect Intel's financials, explore the challenges and opportunities ahead, and help you decide if INTC deserves a spot in your portfolio. Stay tuned. Intel's current price of $30.74 might seem unremarkable on the surface. However, when you consider the analyst's mean target price of $38.06, it suggests a potential upside of over 23%. This is significant, especially considering the stock is already up nearly 39% year-to-date. But the real intrigue lies in Intel's growth potential. The distance from its 52-week high of over $51 suggests there's still room for significant upward movement. Furthermore, projected EPS growth of a staggering 72.83% next year and a phenomenal quarterly earnings growth of 86.47% paint a picture of the company on a significant upswing. These financial figures are undoubtedly impressive. However, it's important to remember that the chip-making industry is highly competitive, and Intel faces stiff competition from established players like AMD and Nvidia. So, is Intel a bargain waiting to be scooped up, or is it a risky proposition? Just days after rivals Nvidia and AMD unveiled their latest AI offerings, Intel stepped into the ring with a powerful counterpunch, their brand-new Xeon 6 processors. These next-generation data center chips boast significant improvements in both performance and power efficiency compared to their predecessors. This focus on efficiency is a crucial factor for data centers constantly striving to optimize resource utilization. But Intel's innovation doesn't stop there. In the same presentation, they unveiled their the 3 AI Accelerator, a product strategically priced to undercut similar offerings from competitors. The exorbitant cost of AI chips, particularly those from leading players like Nvidia, has been a major barrier to entry for many companies. By offering exceptional price-to-performance value, Intel positions itself to attract new clients and potentially steal market share from established players. Beyond chip design, Intel is making strategic moves to solidify its position in the AI landscape. They're heavily investing in domestic chip manufacturing, building new plants across the U.S. Intel's CEO, Pat Gelsinger, even declared their Ohio facility to be the AI systems fab for the nation. This focus on domestic manufacturing not only strengthens their supply chain but also potentially positions them for future government contracts and national security initiatives. Intel's recent developments in AI chip design, competitive pricing strategies, and focus on domestic manufacturing paint a compelling picture of a company determined to reclaim its leadership position. But is this enough to make INTC a must-have addition to your portfolio? Leave a comment below. What are your thoughts on Intel's new AI chips and manufacturing initiatives? These developments are all positive signs, but Intel isn't resting on its laurels. Let's shift gears and explore their upcoming Lunar Lake processors, a product with the potential to be a game-changer for the company. It's only been 7 months since Intel launched its groundbreaking Meteor Lake laptop CPUs. These chips were a watershed moment for Intel, incorporating several firsts: integrated AI accelerators, the Intel 4 manufacturing process, a disaggregated multi-tile architecture, and large-scale utilization of their Foveros packaging technology. Meteor Lake was a crucial stepping stone in Intel's quest to regain its dominance in the chip-making arena. But Intel isn't stopping there. Building upon the foundation laid by Meteor Lake, Intel's upcoming Lunar Lake laptop CPUs are poised to be a game-changer. Expected to arrive in the third quarter of this year, Lunar Lake will be readily available for the holiday season shopping rush, a prime time for new tech gadgets. This rapid turnaround, with Lunar Lake launching less than a year after Meteor Lake, demonstrates Intel's commitment to innovation and regaining market share. While Meteor Lake was a solid product, whispers on the tech street suggest Lunar Lake represents a quantum leap forward. Early reports hint at significant performance improvements, enhanced power efficiency, and potentially groundbreaking advancements in integrated AI capabilities. If these rumors hold true, Lunar Lake could disrupt the market and propel Intel back to the forefront of the chip-making race. There's no denying that Intel's recent developments are a cause for excitement. Their financial performance is impressive, their AI chip designs are innovative, their focus on domestic manufacturing is a strategic move, and the upcoming Lunar Lake launch has the potential to disrupt the market. These factors suggest that INTC could be a rewarding long-term investment. However, the chip-making industry is a battlefield, and Intel faces stiff competition from established players like AMD and Nvidia. Additionally, successfully launching and delivering on the promises of Lunar Lake is crucial for regaining market share and investor confidence. While Intel presents a compelling case for investors seeking exposure to the ever-evolving chip-making industry, remember, no investment is without risk. Here at Stocks Telegraph, we encourage you to conduct your own thorough research, understand the inherent risks and rewards, and align your investment strategy with your personal financial goals. The future of Intel, and the chip-making industry as a whole, is shrouded in a fascinating mix of challenges and opportunities. We want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on Intel's recent developments? Do you believe Lunar Lake will be a game-changer? Leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for joining us on Stocks Telegraph. If you enjoyed this analysis, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth explorations of the hottest investment opportunities in the ever-evolving world of technology and beyond. Until next time, happy investing.